Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to brief you something about dramatics. What actually is dramatics? It's a kind of a performing art. We have different kinds of different forms of performing arts. A dancer expresses herself through her dance, through her body movements, her footwork, postures, gestures, and it's a performing art. She tries to communicate. And same way, when we talk about dramatics, a person who's acting, drama is what? It's actually acting. Acting on stage, it can be theatre, it can be play. So there also it's a kind of a performing art. There the actors, they try to convey a message through their acting skills. This is actually dramatics. One thing I wish to tell you, which is very important, there are various forms of performing arts which I told you. It can be in the form of music, that is vocal music. It can be dance, it can be drama. But the difference between, and also we have films. Now I'll just tell you about the difference between a film. There also we have acting. The actors, they act. And here also in the theatre or on the stage, we have actors performing. But then what is the difference? So the most important factor here is that in a film, I'll just talk about films first and then I'll come to dramatics. In a film, the actors perform, they act, but then they are shot. I mean the pictures, they act in front of a camera and it's shot and then it is made into a film. But when you are acting on a stage, when an actor acts on a stage, whether it is anything, whether it's a play or whether it is a theatre, there's one-to-one interaction. You get the feedback directly. That is the most important difference, or the major difference you can say, that when you act, if it's really good, if it turns out to be really excellent, you'll get the feedback, with a big round of applause immediately at that point of time. And if your acting is maybe not up to the mark, or maybe the script is not very good, is not appealing, so you'll find the audience leaving the hall there and then right in front of you. So what I want to say that you get the feedback at that instant. So this is the main difference, and it is very difficult. In a play or in a theatre, there's just one take. This is the major difference between a dramatics, drama, and films. Films, you can go for one scene for 5 days. You can continue, but in drama, when you're on the stage, it's theatre, it's just one take, whether it is good or bad. It's just one take. You cannot say sorry, and then you again go and you again start for the second take. No. It's done means done. So this is the major difference. Then I would like to talk about basics of dramatics. When we talk about dramatics, the most important thing is the script. The script plays an important role. When we talk about script, the script has to have a very good message. Okay, so why do we say that film was a hit, or that serial was a hit, or that play or the theatre was a hit? Because the script was very good. So the most important thing is that the script has to be really appealing with a very good message. And then we have other basics, like we have the sets, we have the dialogue delivery, how you deliver the dialogue, you have the costumes, you have the makeup, you have the lights and the sound system, and so on. So this is acting, and also the modulation of voice, your dialogue delivery, your expression, because you're communicating. It's a kind of communication. You're communicating, you're interacting with the audience. So you have to communicate through your postures, your gestures, your body language, your dialogue delivery, and your expression. So these things are very important, the basics of dramatics. First, again, I just repeat, it's the script, that's very important. And then it comes the plot, the dialogue delivery, the expressions, the postures, gestures, setting, makeup, costume. All these are basics of dramatics. These are elements of dramatics. Now I would like to pay emphasis on the expression. When we talk about expression, okay, you have the script, you'll read the script, you learn the dialogues, that is. But when it comes to dialogue delivery, you have modulation of voice. Your modulation of voice. Now, suppose like if it's a very scary scene or whatever, so your modulation, your voice will go up and down according to the dialogue, according to the script. So that is one thing. And when we talk about expressions, like we have different kinds of expressions. Now when you're very happy, so how will your expression be on the stage? You're very happy, you're very cheerful, you're so delighted, you look here and there, you're so happy. This is your expression, and this is your body. See your body language and your expression. And when you're scared, how your expression changes? You're scared, and you're very upset, you're very scared. Okay, so these are different forms of expression, and where you're very bold. You want to really, you don't like something, and you want to just counter. You say you're very bold and you're very brave. You're very brave and bold. You say. Yes, that's your expression. So a king will be always brave and bold. His body language and the way he'll talk and the way he'll walk and the way he'll speak. Everything will change. So it all depends on the character you're playing. Suppose you play a character of a fisherwoman or a fisherman. How well. So obviously you have to think that how a fisherman will walk and how he speaks and how he talks and each and everything, the intricacies. That is very important. If it's a king will always walk like this. A king will be very commanding and he'll look up. He will never look down. He'll look up and he'll command and he'll do this. The ministers do this. So this is the way a king will do. A king is supposed to perform. And if it's a fisherman, you can date. Suppose if I say it in dialogue, how to say, मछली ले लो, मछली, ताजी मछली ले लो, ओ भाई साहब मछली लोगे, अरे आ जाओ, कितनी बढ़िया मछली, देखो मछली, 100 रुपए की मछली, ताजी मछली, ऐसी मछली कहीं मिलेगी ही नहीं, अरे आ जाओ बाबू, बोहनी करवा दो, बाबू प्लीज, हमारा भी दिन आप सफल हो जाएगा, ओ मछली आ जाइए, ओ साहब आइए, ताजी मछली. So it all depends on the characters. So whether it is a fisherman, whether you are a king, whether you are a courtier, or and whatever is the your character, you have to act, you have to perform in accordingly. So that is very important. So these are the certain tips, just what dramatics is all about, and what are the things you have to keep it in mind in order to act. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Thank you so much.